Stephanie here from Oh You're Lovely. In today's tutorial, we are going to do something, well, it's a gift, and it involves lemons and Sola flowers. What could it be? Welcome back to another tutorial, and today we are going to take Maggie, my business partner, absolutely loves citrus type things, lemons, oranges, all that fun stuff. And about probably a year ago now, I made a piece that had oranges in it, and I sent it to her because she's in North Carolina, I'm in Wisconsin. Anywho, long story short, I am making another one of these pieces. It's going to be a flat, sort of flat, home decor piece with lemons. Do I have you intrigued? Do I have you going, what are you going to work on? I hope so. So let's jump in to the tutorial and I'll show you all of the pieces that we're going to do to make this crazy piece of artwork. For this tutorial, you're going to need a frame of some sort. I built this one. This is actually a piece of MDF that I painted white, cut to size, and then I made the frame myself, and you can kind of see these are all the same length, and then the ones in the middle squished in between, and then I just glued them up with wood glue. You could also put some nails or something in there too to finish it all off, and our artwork is gonna go right in there. You'll need Sola, wood, flowers in a range of colors and sizes, all that fun stuff. I also have some like little hydrangeas. Some have yellow centers in them, others don't, that I've already pre-painted. Some flowers with a little bit of bark in them as well, just for some added interest. And I'm kind of playing off of the original piece that I made and pulling it all together. You'll also need greenery. Since we have these lemons right here in the shop, it's gonna come as a whole stem. I've already pulled them all apart. And we're going to cut those in half. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. And hot glue, that's it, I'm pretty sure. All right, let's get to building this thing. So the first thing that we're gonna need to do is to cut these lemons in half like this. Most of the time, these faux fruit pieces have styrofoam in the middle. So normally it's pretty easy to cut them. I've got a box cutter, and where the wire went in is where I'm gonna start my cut. And then I start kind of twisting. There we go. We're gonna try something different. We'll see how this goes, if you can see what I'm doing a little bit better when we do a project like this. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of get an idea of where I want my greenery to go, as well as I think the lemons. I'm gonna put the lemons in first, and then I'm gonna fill in with my flowers afterwards. So we've got magnolia leaves, we've got this really cool bleached ruscus that I'm really excited to play with. Okay, so I'm feeling pretty good about this. We might just add a little bit here and there as we get most of this laid down. I'm gonna clean up my workstation. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna glue it all into place. So you gotta get an idea of what I'm going for. So I'm gonna take a picture of this and then I'm going to recreate it. I know this is kind of backwards, but that's what I do, that's my process, so that I get an idea of what more or less I need, and then we kind of it changes a little bit, but for the most part, we get the idea of what we're going for. All right, so I've kind of deconstructed it, and now we put it all back together. So I've left the main base of my piece in place. And now it's just a whole bunch of gluing. When you put glue on the styrofoam, beware it is going to melt a little bit. Don't freak out too much about it. It's normal. my gosh. I really hope she loves it, and if she doesn't, she can send it back to me because I love it. And I'm kind of sad that I have to send it away. I always make the best stuff for Maggie May, as I like to call her, and then she gets to keep it, and I just get a video of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked the new camera angle, please let us know in the comments. We're always trying to better ourselves and give you guys the best bird's eye view as we make these tutorials. So if you loved that camera angle, let me know. If you hated it, let me know too, but be nice, please. Don't hurt my feelings, but just let me know. We're all about constructive criticism. So by all means, if you love something, let us know. If you didn't love something or as much, also let us know. Just be kind. That's all I ask. All right, guys. If you're loving these tutorials, can't get enough, want to know when the next one goes live, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. And to find out about the 150 Sola wood flowers we carry in the shop, as well as craft supplies and greenery, among other things, go to ohyourlovely.com. And until next time, this is Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.